Call me a pack rat, but I could never throw away old jeans because I think that there's always an opportunity to make something out of it and recycle it the way it should, because jeans are so interesting and there's so many different patterns and there's so many different colors that I could not just get myself to throw them away or give them away to the thrift store or whatever. And as a matter of fact, sometimes I even buy them from the thrift store, because this time I'm thinking about making a little tiny phone holder with it. So here we go. To all the avid artists out there, I think you know what this picture is derived from. It is the Modigliani style of painting, where there are long faces and huge eyes. And I don't know why, but I've been so enamored by it. And Modigliani's story is also very interesting. So I figured I'm going to just copy the outline of this lady, or whoever painted this. I give them credit. I don't know who it is, but I just found this picture. And so I decided to use this picture as an inspiration to my own artwork, to do a fabric mixed media art for my little bag. So I'm using black thread and a free motion presser foot to sew along the lines of this line art on top of a piece of muslin fabric. I'm going kind of slow because I don't want to make a mistake. So easy really does it. But then boring for you, so I'm just going to go ahead and time lapse it. Now I'm just clipping off the excess thread. And after this, I just went ahead and painted the face. I didn't show it because it's really personal preference, to be honest. But before that, of course, you have to remove the paper, and this is why suddenly you have beautiful artwork on your fabric. I cut a piece of flower from this flower fabric, and I just sewed it on her ear. I then sewed it on the piece of jean fabric that would fit my phone, and then of course I signed it, and then after I painted it, I just embellished it, and voila.
Yesterday I was clever, wanted to change the world.
I just think that she is so much fun with her turtleneck and cool eyeglasses, and so I just embellished it with some flowers around her hair and her neck, like applicated on it with really cool stitchings. and stitched all around some just remnant fabrics. And I just think that she's so cool with all of her little accoutrements. Okay, you beautiful French speakers up there, don't at me.